Hello friends, today we will study about the topic consumer surplus. So the consumer surplus is the difference between what a consumer is willing to pay and for a good and what he actually pays, means what the amount he actually pay for the particular product and what he is willing to pay for that product. So the formula for consumer surplus is willingness to pay subtract actual price paid. So we will understand this with an example. So we will a person had purchased a notebook whose which price is rupees 80, means actual price is 80, but he is willing to pay for rupees 100. So the difference of both will be consumer surplus, means 100 minus 80 will be 20. So 20 is the consumer surplus. We will understand this question with a diagram. So here is the figure. This is price, and here this line is denoted for quantity demand. This is the demand curve, and here price of product and quantity demand. Above the quantity area below the demand curve and area above the price is consumer surplus. So this area is the consumer surplus. We will understand this with an example. So the demand curve for a good is linear and touches price axis at rupees 100. If market price is rupees 60, consumer purchases 20 units. What is the consumer surplus? So market price is given, that is market price means actual price. We can say market price is equal to actual price. So we'll do this. Here I have drawn a figure, that is price and quantity demand. Quantity demand is given 20 units and actual price of product is 60 and consumer is willing to pay at rupees 100, and this is the consumer surplus. You can see above the demand curve and below the demand curve and above the price line, that is consumer surplus. We'll find this consumer surplus. This is a triangle. We can find this by a formula, that is half base into height, that is half into 20. 20 is here, base is given, that is 20 units, and height is 40. That we will find the difference of 160, that is 40 units. So we'll calculate 2 will be carried with 20, that is 10, and 10 into 40,